Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we're going to play a game called Bat-mitt-on. Now in this game, your job is to strike an object, and you're going to be catching that object using one implement. Yes, one implement. So I'm going to drop down a link below of how to create that object, and then we're going to go ahead and use it. If you don't have the supplies for that object, if you could use a ruler, you can use any type of stick, and you could just catch it with your hand. So again, that's another option if you don't have the supplies for it. But I highly encourage you guys, if you guys have a paper plate, a spatula, some tape, and some paper, that's all you need. So I have our bat and we have our mitt on the opposite side. So as you can see, I have two paper plates. One has some tape on it. We need a Ziploc bag as well as one without tape. And then I made my own little tape ball. So now what I used for the tape ball was simply two pieces of paper, rolled it up, smashed it together, put some tape around it, and it actually sticks to our mitt. So that's our mitt side, and this is gonna be our bat. So that's why it's called a Bat-mitt-on. So we're gonna do this with a partner in just a moment, and then I'm gonna show you guys this activity. Stay tuned. When you guys are the batter slash striker, your job is to hit it to a teammate. Your teammate is going to try to catch it, and they're then going to throw it back to you guys using the tape side. You will catch the ball. Okay. So again, the side without tape is your bat, and this side with the tape is your mitt. Okay. Again, Bat-mitt-on. Okay. Make sure you guys stay tuned. I'll show you guys how to do this with a partner. So I'm going to go ahead and be the first striker. Again, I'm going to strike this object using the bat side, and then I'm going to catch it with the tape side, which will be my mitt. Okay? So my partner is going to have to catch it. Every time he catches it, he gets 1 point for our team. After 3 points, we're going to go and switch. So your job is to focus on accuracy and striking the ball so the ball goes directly to your partner. Okay? Let's get ready to go. Ready? Opposite foot forward. Gonna get it low. Pop it up. Catches it. He's going to throw it back.